How to send Google Drive files by email using Gmail. It's quick and only takes a few steps. First, open Gmail in your web browser and click Compose to create a new email. Next, click the Insert Files Using Drive icon at the bottom of the Compose window. If the file is already stored in your Google Drive, you can find it under Recent, My Drive, or use the search bar to locate it quickly. Select the file or files you want to send. You'll see two options: Add as Attachment and Add as Link. If the file is small enough, you can choose Add as Attachment. If it's a larger file or you want to share it directly from Google Drive, select Add as Link. If the file is large, Gmail will automatically add it as a Google Drive link instead of a regular attachment. Enter the recipient's email address, add a subject, and type your message if needed. Finally, click Send, and your recipient will receive the email with access to your Google Drive file. That's how you can send Google Drive files by email using Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Drive and Gmail tips. Thanks for watching.